That's Mount Shasta. That means we must be on the road again. We're on another road trip. The guest where Dobbs and I are headed to a birthday party. America's number 250, and I'm hoping I don't see that many. So hop in, grab your road snacks, make sure you throw on your seatbelt. So we're hitting the road.
Every town celebrates the 4th of July, but Bend, Oregon, they have a unique way of celebrating. The first clue that Bend does things a little bit differently came before breakfast. Some towns might have a military parade, some might have a few floats. Bend, well, they roll out the red carpet, so to speak, for the animals. It's marketed as a dog parade, but all animals except rabbits and cats are allowed. And here are a few of the furry faces we met, including Jack, this handsome devil. That was Remington, paralyzed since he was 6 months old and still having the time of his life. Thousands of people not only showed up, but also participate walking their favorite furry friends. Want to know something else you don't see every day? A farm stand, running on the honor system nonetheless. My aunt happens to know the owner, who made us a select batch of her secret cinnamon rolls. Thank you very much for those. After breakfast, we rolled over to Mount Bachelor. 30 minutes from downtown Bend, we decided to do the ziplining adventure. The gondola ride up had some majestic views, and once we reached the top, they threw us in our harness and buckled us up because we had 3 stages of zip lines to go through. I'm on the right, Uncle Chip's on the left. He beat me every stretch, but you know what? This was my first time ziplining. Going down a mountain on a zip line at 80 miles an hour sure does work up an appetite. So before dinner, we snuck over to Brazada Ranch for a quick lunch. They were setting up for a 4th of July party. We happened to beat the rush and had pretty much the ranch to ourselves as we explored and snacked before our main event. As the sun started to drift behind the Cascades, everybody in town made their way to the same place, Pilot Butte, where the fireworks show captivated everybody. By evening, it was clear to me why people pack this area. Bend's not just a destination, it's a lifestyle. It's one of those towns that somehow feels busy, but never feels crowded. And while I expected the highlight to be the fireworks, my favorite part was actually watching the whole town come together and celebrate as one community. All in all, a perfect day in America, and a fantastic birthday celebration for number 250. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe. If you want to chat, go ahead, leave me a comment. I'll try to respond to all of them. Thanks.